Welcome. In this video I want to take a look at the aluminum frame of Xiaomi 15T Pro and compare it to the plastic frame of the regular 15T. So the 15T Pro uses a CNC aluminum frame. There is stronger and feels more premium in your hand compared to the 15T's plastic frame. It adds some weight though, and it's also combined with the fiberglass bag, which provides a great drop resistance. The matte finish on the aluminum frame helps repel fingerprints and provides a secure grip in your hand, and it contributes to the overall sleek, elegant and professional design of the 15T Pro, as well as improved water and dust resistance. And now let's check the general features of the regular 15T and the 15T Pro to see what it looks like in general. So first of all, the weight of Xiaomi 15T with plastic frame is 194 grams, which is slightly less than the 15T Pro, which weighs 210 grams. It's not a big difference, 16 grams, though maybe it does matter to you. If it does, please let us know in the comments. What about the build quality? Well, the build quality of the regular 15T is generally great, but it's lighter, but kind of less premium if it matters to you. Now this build surely feels premium, and it's also more durable and solid. Now talking about impact resistance. The impact resistance of the 15T is moderate according to tests. Now for 15T Pro it's improved. As I mentioned before, it has a fiberglass bag complementing frame, which also increases its durability and drop resistance. Now speaking of water and dust resistance, both devices are IP68 certified, though Xiaomi 15T Pro has improved sealing and durability, as I already mentioned that. Now what about talking about grip and finish? The grip of the original 15T is actually great, but it leaves fingerprint marks on it. So I don't know if you prefer to use your device without a protective case. That might be a problem to you. Now the 15T Pro has matte aluminum with better grip and less smudging. And speaking of the overall feel, the 15T is great, but it just feels less premium than the 15T Pro, which feels premium, robust, and slightly heavier. Well, heavier is not the advantage, like objectively speaking. It's just a question of your preference. So in conclusion, the aluminum frame of the Xiaomi 15T Pro results in a more premium, durable and premium feeling device compared to the plastic frame of the standard Xiaomi 15T. The trade-off is a slightly heavier phone, but with noticeable gains in structural sturdiness and aesthetics. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.